Now, as I earlier told you, I very seldom use sprayers. I don't like using sprayers all over the place. There's a sprayer, there's a sprayer there, there was a sprayer here, there was a sprayer over there. Because if you can get by with one drip bubbler to the rows, one drip bubbler there, one drip there, one drip there, one drip there, one 2-gallon drip around the tree, a gallon dripper, a gallon dripper, a gallon dripper, or if you don't think 2 gallons is enough, or you could do a 1, a 1, and a 1, so there's 3, or you could do a 2 and a 2, there's 4, whatever you feel. But because she's got some sprayers, I'm going to turn the sprinklers back on. I'm going to try to identify 4 different sprayers for this garden area, because there's no way you're going to want to put a drip, a drip, a drip, a drip, a drip. You know, you'd have to put 50 drips here if you're going to plant all kinds of different rows of stuff. So I thought for that reason only, I would try to find her sprayers, and that's why I thought, okay, 1 here, 1 there, 1 over there, a half, and a half there. And I'm hoping that's going to be enough. And so once I do that and hook it up, I'm gonna leave these pipes long, and put the 2 and kind of separate them out and see if that's going to be enough. If for some reason I figure that's not going to be enough, then I can take that same thing and reduce it so I have 6 sprayers, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 over there. You see what I mean? Or if the other ones are okay. Oh, that scared me, the dog's next door. If I can get by with 4, 2 on each side, I'll do that. Okay? All right, we'll let those dogs get back inside the house, and we'll go some more. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and every time you watch one of my videos, I'm hoping you're going to learn more on how to save more around the house.